Hello everyone. I hope you are great. So today we'll doing a question that is find bottom left tree value. So in this question we have given the root of a binary tree and return the leftmost value in the last row of the tree. Let's see. In this example, what is given? Leftmost value in the last row of the tree. We have to return it. In this case, the last row is this one, 1 3, and we'll just return 1 here. And in this case our last row is this, and leftmost also is this 7, so we'll just return 7. Okay, let's see it more good. So in this question you can see this is the last row, this is the last row. So I will, in the last row, what is the leftmost? This one. So what can I do to get it? So we have been given this this root. So we have to somewhere get this and return this. So what can I do? I will have a q. At first q is empty. So what I can do, first I will store the all the values in first row, that is 2. Then I will store the all the values in second row, that is 3 1, and I will just return 1. Okay. Huh. After second we can't see any third, so it will just return 1 because last queue is 1, last queue is 3 and 1 contents. I will just return 1. So this is quite simple. Let's analyze that big tree, which is quite difficult to understand. Let's do it. Mhm. If I store this, okay. So first we have, okay, first we have q equal to empty. So at first we have the root, so at first we just input the root 1. Okay. So at first row I will root 1. So in the second I will check, does 1 contains left? Yes, left is 2. I will say 2. Does 1, this 1 contains right? Yes, 3 3 3. So at the second row we have 3 and 2. Okay. Likewise, in third I will check, does 2 contains left? Yes, 4. That is left. 2's left is 4. Does 2 contains right? No. So I will let it be. I will not input anything. Then again for 3, this is 3. Does 3 contains left? That is 5. Does 3 contains is right? Yes, that is 6. 6. Yes. uh, then we can see we have another row just for let's go to the another row. Fourth queue. Huh. The fourth queue. First is 4. Let's check. Does 4 contains left? No. Does 4 contains right? uh, no. So I will store here nothing. Then check for 5. Here I have 5. Does 5 contains left? Yes. So I will store 7 here. 7. Does 5 uh, contains right? Right. No, no. So nothing. Let's then check for 6. Does 6 contains left? No. Does 6 contains right? No. So at this point we have just one value. Then we get for fifth queue check uh, the fifth row. It does 7 contains left? No. Sorry, what something? Mm, okay, sorry. Mm, ah. So we check 7. Does 7 contains left? No. So we check for right. Does 7 contains right? No. So last we don't have any queue. So we have to we can only go to the fourth row. So at the fourth row we see last leftmost is 7. Okay, let's understand it again. So the same question, so that you will we can understand it better, and if we can more clearly. Okay, so what would the algorithm will be? First, we'll create an empty array. uh, Create a empty array means empty queue. In that queue I will store the root first. So in this case our root is 1. This is the first row. Okay, then after storing the 1 I will first remove 1. Remove 1, that is this is sub step. uh, Remove 1 and check does 1 have left or not. I will store the left first. Yes, I have 1 have left. Then check 1 does 1 have right or not. Then I will store right. We are storing left first so that we can store the leftmost uh, leftmost on the front of the queue. Okay, similarly this will be the second row. So then after getting this in second row I will pop 2. Pop 2 means I will pop this value and check does the 2 contains left. Yes, 2 contains left, that is 4. Does the 2 contains right? No, 2 doesn't contain right, so we won't do anything. Then after then we have done the operation, then check for the next value present in that row, that is 3. So let's see, does the 3 contains left? Yes, that is 5. Okay, does the 3 contains right? Yes, that is 6. So all the operations of previous values are done, it is 3 2. Then we can say all the values present are now in the third row of. Then for this row we'll take the value from the front, that is 4. the, check does the 4 contains any left? that is no, so nothing will do. Then check for right, nothing will do. Okay, then for 5, then we go to the 5, we'll remove this 4 and go to the 5. Then check for 5, does 5 contains left? I will say yes. I'll store 7 here. Does 5 contains right? No, so we will do nothing. Then we'll pop 5. Then we will go for 6, so we'll pop 6 and check does 6 contains left? Does 6 contains right? Sir, contains right. uh, so we see it doesn't have any left, right, so it will store it to 4, fourth row. So we'll we'll check if for 7 with the do we have anything, but we'll say get nothing. Okay, so we'll do it till we get q equal to 0. So I can do that, I will do this operation and store every time I created a row but get a first, for example, when I got the first row, I will store the front value, that is 1, in the answer. This can be a candidate once or 1. Then I will store, when I will create a second row, I will store answer to be 2. That I am assuming I may say that after this no row is increasing. I saw they are we can say that it can be, but it is not, it can be the leftmost. Then when I am in third row, uh, I am in third row, means this third row, I will store this 4 in the answer, 4 in the answer, because this can be the leftmost if if we would not go to have fourth row. So when we go to the fourth row and have 7, I will store the 7 first, because at first we have the leftmost, so I will store 7 here. Okay, 7. Then this is empty, we won't do anything. Okay, this we want to anything. So at last we have 7 and we will just return it. Okay, okay, so let's see the code. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm creating a queue in Java. I'm creating a queue, and these are sub variables I will use in next. So at first I'm guessing that our tree does have only one row, so I will just store the answer at first row, and I will store the queue in root. Then after storing the queue root in queue, then I will this in this method I will just pop I will just doing these operations. This I will pop this one value and store it in second row, means this will take the size and answer. First I will get the answer as a this one store. Okay, answer is this one. Then this will do some function. You will get the one and store left and right. You can see if current left doesn't equal to null, I will store the left, get the queue first, so the leftmost will be present at the leftmost will be present at the front. Okay, then I will store the right, if rightmost is present I will store the right. Okay, then then after doing this operation I will go to the, then next it will do recursively, means not recursively, loop wise for third row. It will get the 2 on 3 and it will store 4 5 6 here, likewise here. So then it will store 7, and then at last you will return 7. Let's see. So it is working. I'm still showing you. Submit. Okay. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts or can ask in the comment section, and hope you like it. Then please like, share and subscribe.